I've been working on the portals I plan on making for a portal, not replica, but trying to figure out the logic behind them. So we obviously have textures here, they reassign depending on where they are. So obviously if I had one on this over here, it would look that way, and then if it was faced over that way, it would look there. Now we haven't got the teleportation logic yet. That was the first test where I could only ever walk through that one and it wouldn't change, so I'm trying to improve it. If you obviously can't see it because how I've positioned it, but we'll move around again. If I place that one like this, and then we'll start here. So you can see the orange cylinder given as the shell placeholder. All the logic is actually internal, so we have our scene capture component that's capturing our orange portals, what the orange portal is seeing. That then goes onto the orange portal capture, which is up here, I think actually, that's the one that's texture. Okay, orange portal capture, which is obviously what captures it. It's obviously at right angles, so the camera is tilted 90 degrees. Then that gets put onto the material so that we can then display that on the orange portal view. Now the animated not animated, but the backgrounds we got for the portals, which look like that, just temporarily, we'll plan on adding some particles to it eventually. That is done with a simple, I need to rename that one, but not in the world, by using a texture sample of fire, which I copy and paste and change the name of. Then a panner to move it around at 0.2, probably should slow that down, but not right now. And then a texture coordinate to make sure it's all staying in the same place. Then soon I plan on improving it so that we can walk through both portals and automatically end up where you want to be. I also plan on improving it so that you can actually see through the portals, which was something these ones used to be able to do, but then with the recent updates to I think 5.6 I don't think you can do anymore. I might just be when 5.1 came out started working. I'll show you the logic I had for these portals though. Here we go. So this is the first one. Pretty much that one was to try and sort out an issue with the camera so you can like look from the left and see the right side of the portal, but I don't think that worked. This one here, so when it begins to overlap with the collision box that's there, and we set it so that you can't teleport. If the can teleport is set as false, then we then set it to true again, so that it's the thing. You get the player location, well no, you get the player, that's just a little debug thing to tell me that it's actually got to this point in the code. We then get the linked portal, we get its root components, world location and rotation. That then gets the actor location, moves the player character there as the target. The location is the new location. The rotation is a new rotation. We use teleport to keep momentum. We then have a delay for 2.2 seconds to allow us to teleport through both of them. But that doesn't work for some reason, I don't know why. And we've also got that one there so that when it ends on overlap, we can teleport again. Although I think that's actually that logic is handled up there. So I don't know why I've got that there, but it's not the end of the world. So as you can see here, this logic isn't connected, because if it was, we wouldn't teleport. I'll show you the issue, the error that we get. But it's the same logic, but it links to the other portal. So it gets the linked portal, which is handled, I think it's in the, if we check it here. No it's not, sorry, I'm lying. It's here. Linked portal is the blue one. The teleport trigger should, I don't know what that's about. I've made these a while ago, these ones, I'm coming back to it, all them ones. But then we've got a portal base code. This is just an attempt that I don't think we actually use anymore. Well, obviously we don't because it's not plugged into the execute teleport function. This could be completely deleted and not matter. It's been a while since I've looked at this code in all honesty. I don't. I should. But looking at this logic, I think I've got an idea of what I'm going to do for the next one. We've got obviously if you look at it, we've got your exit point there, so that we know where it is. I might give the ones I've made so far a little bit more colour room, but that's not high priority. We'll save all of that, save all this, and then we're done.